Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Cpos cloud payment token. Cpos is the ticker symbol for this token. You can find it listed on CoinMarketCap. Right now it's up 5.19%. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Cpos cloud payment token. Now, how do you get this token? You can get it on MEXC Global. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code in the description. You're welcome to use that if you like. So how you would get this token, basically, if you don't have an account, you would just go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Cpos, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It's that easy. So on CoinMarketCap, you can find the price chart, contract address, block explorer, webpage, which is cpos.cloud. They also have a Telegram, Twitter, 2 different Telegrams it looks like, and a GitHub full white paper available on here as well. So according to their BSC scan, right now they have 3,275 holders, 17,198 transfers, 18 decimal places. They're listed on CoinGecko as well. Contact email is on their Etherscan if you want to find that, and their LinkedIn as well. There is a total supply here of 11,100,000,1010 Cpos tokens right now. So, what is Cpos? Well, imagine that you can control your own money and store it safely without intermediaries. You can secure money from hackers or personal information thieves who have taken many casualties in the online business industry. Have you heard or read news about the theft of personal information on millions of credit card customers? Or recently the national financial industry is being rocked by contributions about embezzlement of customer money and improper investment practices by insurance companies? These problems start from the weak protection of customers' accounts or money. Imagine that you do not have to depend on other parties to save and manage your money or assets, and you can still protect it from hackers. It is only possible with blockchain technology. This uncompromising security is offered by Cpos. This is a future cryptocurrency that will turn the dream of the owner of funds into reality. This new system will change the pattern of transactions or trade because it offers many advantages, such as smartphone-based. Nowadays, smartphones are mainstay tools for carrying out various activities related to financial services. All can be done with smartphones, such as paying or receiving salary, paying electricity, water, or telephone bills, applying for loans, send or receiving remittances, invest in shares, Forex trading, access savings, make a purchase online, and so on. Carrying cash everywhere has many risks that you must anticipate, starting from forgetfulness and the risk of loss or crime. Carrying a large wallet can also invite bad people. This is the era of digital wallets, not physical wallets, but like an account. Unlike conventional bank accounts or financial services, Cpos comes with the support of blockchain technology, which allows users to receive, store, and send crypto money to anyone, anywhere, anytime directly. With Cpos, you are no longer depending on conventional financial services, limited by working days and working hours, limited by the place of transaction, paying monthly account management fees or pay administrative fees, and much more. So blockchain technology support. So blockchain technology offers solutions to various problems that have been faced in the field of financial services. With the support of blockchain technology, CPOS allows users to connect directly to the network, peer-to-peer, without intermediaries. Then the following questions may arise in your mind. Then what about the CPOS platform? Isn't it the same as a bank? Well, CPOS is just a digital wallet provider platform that is supported by blockchain. Users do not depend on CPOS to make transactions and access their money. It means that CPOS does not act as a third person or an intermediary between users. That is the difference from conventional financial institutions. Now, what happens if the CPOS server is hacked? The anxiety is certainly reasonable because many people become victims of hacking in online business worlds. This is the advantage of CPOS, which is supported by blockchain. Even if the CPOS server is hacked, the user's money is still safe because the protection on the network is called distributed ledger and controls it directly from each device. So it goes over conventional banks. What's the problem? So conventional banks generally provide banking services on a national scale, while global and international services are relatively limited. Meanwhile, one who is online in the business world must use both, especially if the product services offered to international consumers. Well, CPOS offers a solution to this problem. CPOS does not control your digital assets as a user. However, your digital assets are connected directly to the network blockchain, so the risk of loss due to theft and neglect can be minimized. So we get the idea here. They're trying to squash banks, basically. It gives a whole background on CPOS and blockchains and all these things on their white paper. You can go over all that if you like to. The CPOS financial platform is ready to launch a number of programs to increase user growth, improve services, and support the global financial platform. So their wallet is ready at launch. They're going to have a rewards program for loyal users. And the utility token will give users special access to enjoy the features of the project built in and have the opportunity to get discounts at the CPOS shop. Tokens will be available for promotional programs. There's going to be different developmental stages. And so the products you can access are the CPOS mobile payments. Also, we got the CPOS global store and the wallet. There's a hot wallet, a cold wallet, and there's e-commerce. There's also transferring from P2P, education, advertising, travel stuff, remittance, exchanging, and CPOS token blockchain Ethereum platform. And yeah, so token basically is distributed between pre-sale, team promotion, startups, and ecosystem. It's a BEP20 token, 18 decimal places with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. And that's about it. Like I mentioned earlier, you can get this token off of MEXC Global. So check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.